Come on in. Do you want some tea? Hey, Pauli.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
We're all good.
Oh, hello. We met at a Halloween party and
In London.
And we were the only two people not wearing Halloween costumes.
Yes. And our friend introduced us. I think he was dressed as Superman.
He was dressed as Superman and he was DJing and he played some hits that we could dance to, and yeah, we were hanging out and
We didn't dance.
in my mind we were dancing.
How do we keep in touch when we're apart? WhatsApp audio or FaceTime audio? WhatsApp. I'm very I need to be in touch a lot.
So what do? I'm a musician first and foremost, producer, recording artist, and I play drums as well. But also away from that, I love plants. So green thumbs. I'm a big horticulturalist and hobby farmer. And yeah, I'm a space enthusiast as well. Got a project called Badman Space Program, which is really fun.
So I have a concept brand called Virtual Superland, as you can see. We kind of create experiential experiences and also have collaborative products, and all of it is centered around the green screen or chroma key. VSL. And what it does is take out anything green and put one of our graphics there instead.
My stuff is like a mixture of equipment, tech stuff, and then minimal clothes. This is my favorite one at the moment. It's my soccer team, FC St. Pauli.
See?
Like this, and then you tuck behind, and then go flat, and then pull back. Look at that. That is the most G-fold ever.
G-fold.
But even that's a clever fold.
It's great. It's really good.
And then you just roll. Look at that. Look at that.
It's pretty great, really.
That's legendary.
So if I'm traveling to England, I actually don't take that much stuff from here, from LA, because in England it's always cold, generally, whenever I go. So my winter wardrobe is in London, and then my summer wardrobe is here. I take this jacket everywhere in my life. I think everyone needs a leather jacket in their life. This was actually given to me by Virgil, so it's extra special. I layer it up to craziness because I always get freezing on a flight, and I just like having the freedom to take off layers. But the last layer is always a hoodie.
Yeah, packing cubes. This should fit in here. This is the OP1. It's it goes with me everywhere. It's a synthesizer and drum machine. The imperative to pack are vitamins. These are the best vitamins that money can buy.
And then from here I will roll, but I think you just do an extra flick of the wrist. Look at that, how cute.
If I could take Orsolya anywhere in the world, I'd probably take it to space. I know that Virgin Galactic are doing trips around the moon, so that could be really cool. Yeah, I think a trip to space would be the one.
I always take all my shoes in dust bags because I just cannot stand the idea of shoes touching clothes.
I think I've got a do-rag in every luggage and probably in every pocket of every piece of clothing I've got.
And yet you can still never find it.
Still can never find a do-rag.
My friend got me these for my birthday. Shout out to Samira.
Socks in there.
Pauli's a real soft guy.
Oh, my pants can go in as well.
If there was a place that I could take Pauli, it would probably be Africa. He's been to South Africa, but he hasn't been to certain other parts of West and East Africa. And oh my god, it'd be amazing. Just like a whole tour of all these amazing countries.
Look at that. It's perfect. Oof.
I'm now going to take these with me everywhere. But again, you can just pack one of those into your hand luggage in here, and then you don't have to take this whole thing with you. This is a little crazy one. I should show you the app with this. So I don't paint my skin green on a regular basis, But sometimes we do a lot of content, like random content for Virtual Superland, and this is really fun.
Moisturize. Men need to moisturize. Need to cleanse and polish. I use Ceylon. It's this local brand from LA, and they made this brand for men of color, and it's by men of color, so it's kind of cool. This is some mad juju. Skin food. Have you seen this stuff before? It's German. It's just mad. It just works. I don't know what's in it. Advice for couples traveling together. Patience.
Saying what I always say.
Snacks.
That's for me. I have to be fed at all times. Otherwise, it's a disaster. Like, yeah.
A hungry girlfriend is not a happy girlfriend. Now we're gonna go and catch a flight.
Oh my god, yeah.
Push it back.